Hello everyone, welcome to the Fact Analyzer demo. Here are the list of pages in our application. These are protected, so when logged out, we cannot access them. Here is the dark light mode toggle and the login signup. Signup is actually a multi-step process comprised of email verification through Firebase Authentication. I will enter the credentials. Once done, here is the email, and it is verified. The user has to choose a username. The next step is completely optional to enter. It is used for content personalization and localized experience. And next is to choose topics of interests. Users will be able to select up to 3 topics max. And registration is complete. Here in the login page, we enter the credentials that was created just now and log in. It will redirect us to the home page, where we have several options, that is, the topics chosen for personalized experience, and the main section of this page is the article list. We are relying on API key from NewsAPI, a news article metadata provider. It is completely legal and publicly available data we are using. Here we have the source name, author name, article title. Upon clicking on the Read More, it will take us to the actual article. Coming back, here we have an avatar or list of avatars that show the previously generated reports for this article. Upon clicking on the Analyze button, it will trigger the analysis process, and it is generated. Clicking the View Report button will take us to the actual report. This is the report screen. Again, here we have the article title, source name. This is the visibility toggle that can make the report public or private. And down below, we have the claim analysis breakdown along with notes. Main section of the page comprised of the KPI cards that show how many claims in the article are true, false, misleading, unverifiable. This is raw article excerpt as claim, and it is from the actual article provided by the Sonar Pro model. And this is the verification excerpt from the list of verification sources that the Sonar Pro model searches for validating the chosen article. Users can also click on these tiles to see filtered claims, and upon clicking this Source button, it will take us to the source ranking page, where we have the list of verification sources categorized by tiers. The first will be the article that we are analyzing. Its main content consists of the source name, description, affiliations, commercial interests, and tier. And down below, we have the tonality and authenticity metrics upon which the article sources are being evaluated, followed by the verification sources ordered based on the tier. And the Tier 1 verification sources will always be the government or official reports or statements by the parties from the article. And here are a few other articles that were analyzed. One more thing about the verification source excerpt is upon clicking on it, it will take you to the source article with the reference text highlighted for the user's convenience, enhancing user experience by reducing the time it takes for the user to search through the sources. Reports page will have the list of articles that were analyzed previously. Feeds page is a public networking section, which will have the reports in social media design, where people with similar topic of interests can find the posts that other users have published, where each post will have several images that was provided by the Sonar Pro model from various sources that was searched during the analysis process. Here is the post of an article that we analyzed during the demo, with supporting images from relevant sources. Additionally, other posts with supporting images from relevant sources provided by the Sonar Pro model. And we reach the final moments of the demo. we will quickly walk through the PPT documentation. In the modern era where information is generated rapidly every second, it is not deterministic that the information is always true. Most of the times when we go through social media, even information shared by most reputed people or even celebrities, which pushed us to develop a tool that not only generates content saying an information is true or false, but provides real-time trends through articles on the topics that we like, and responsible AI analysis that breaks down the article to individual claims and even provides the real-time source references with advanced abilities of highlighting the segments in the reference articles. The system architecture shows a high-level overview of tech stacks used in the application and the services offered. The following pages show detailed explanation for each module. And Perplexity Sonar Pro model is the backbone of the application that is used for article analysis and its relevant source ranking, and we are using the high context window for detailed segmentation. Finally, we appreciate your attention. Thank you. Feel free to reach out to shyamk.ds@gmail.com.